All right, so just got into work, right? I came in, not feeling too good. Got the shits, right? Shits. So they're sending me home for a sick day. But I got my tenant. He has a Subaru and he had it towed to the Subaru dealership. So that's where I'm going right now. They said they wouldn't work on it because it's modified, but he said it's not modified. The only modification he had on his Subaru is deleting the air pump on that Subaru, and they would not work on a Subaru because the foreman there says that it's modified. So what I'm doing is I'm going to meet him at the Subaru dealership. We're going to do a driveway at my house, just see if we can fix it on our driveway. So I brought my scanner, the Kingbolen, and then some tools in my lunchbox back there, and then I'm going to meet him there because he said he scanned it and he said it has a rich code. So, but the Subaru dealership wouldn't want to work on it because they think it's modified. The only modification he actually did was delete the air pump for the emissions, and then he just I don't know what he did, but he just made it so it doesn't see the air pump disconnected, and then doesn't set any warning lights for emissions. So we're heading to the Subaru dealership. It's quite a long drive, so I'm gonna meet him there. Yeah, I probably won't show what dealership it is, but yeah, anyways. So he had it towed there because it was already $188 to tow it 2 kilometers to the Subaru dealership, which is the closest. And yeah, so that's where we're at. And they wouldn't work on it, so now he's stuck with this car there. So what I'm gonna do is, because he has a rich code and it's stumbling, it doesn't really, there's no power. It starts and idles kind of, but it wouldn't will barely accelerate. So what happens? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go there. I'm going to unplug the mass airflow, see if it goes into open loop and run on the what do you call it? I can't remember what do you call it? It's still early in the morning. But anyways, I'm going to go to the Subaru. I'm going to go there. He's going to go pick up his car. I'm going to meet him there. The first thing I'm going to do is unplug the mass airflow, see if it'll run better because he said it has a rich code. And it's not running really well. So, and then see if we can get it back to my place, and then we're going to do a driveway diag. That's what's going to happen today on my sick day. So see you then when I get to the Subaru dealership and see what happens. So I'm at the Subaru dealership. Hey.
I was going to ask.
What?
I was going to ask if you if you're just going to go home, because I was going to ride there and then you just drive.
Oh, that's okay. We can always come back and get your bike.
Okay.
Yeah, but hey, want to tell them what they said to you?
Subaru dealership won't work on my car because it's modified.
Yeah, there's no modifications on it. Hey, where's your car?
It's around back.
It's around back? Okay. So I'm just going to go back there, unplug the mass airflow.
You want to see if it works?
See if it works. And then you can drive it back to my place, and then we'll figure it out. Yeah. All right. Did they actually open an RO? They didn't charge you anything for it,
They
right?
didn't charge me.
Okay, so there's no RO either?
No, I don't think so.
Oh,
They
okay.
didn't give me a printout or
They didn't give you a printout or anything? Okay, so yeah. Okay, we'll go to the back. I don't know if I can record on their dealership, but just to show you what dealerships are like nowadays. Honestly, with all the customers that we get at Honda that comes in and telling that, the dealership that they've been going to, anything with diagnosis, they find any kind of excuses to send you away too. So it's true. I mean, it makes our dealership seem like, honestly, like I feel like our dealership is the best. I don't know. We take on everything. We it doesn't matter if it's a Honda or anything. We always diagnose even off-make vehicles too. So yeah. Anyways, he can only bring it to here because he's also my coworker. He's also the apprentice. He's 4th year. They only tow it to here because the tow bill is $188 for 2 kilometers to get it to the closest Subaru dealership. But even our shop foreman was like, just tow it to our dealership just so we can all figure it out together that way, but it's just the tow bill that's so much expensive. But anyways, I'm gonna go to the back, and then we're gonna unplug the mass airflow, see how if it runs better on base map, and then we can get it back to my place, and then we'll figure it out from there. Does it sound like it has a miss? That's normal? Well, it's running on. We got it back, but it's running fine now. clear the codes. You want to put the scanner on it and see?
Yeah, I kind of want to see.
Yeah, it's in my car. Yeah, anyways. They said it was tuned. I guess they see this little intake or whatever, but the other thing that he did was remove the air pump that's right here, right, for the emission stuff, but that's about it. It simply just said they just didn't want to work on it. I guess it's like with every, this is the state of all the dealerships around our area now. If you want your car serviced, they'll bring your car in, but if you want diag, they just find whatever excuse they want to you know, get you away. So yeah, in my opinion, it's kind of, you don't need that. It's just the dongle's on the back of the scanner. No, the dongle's on the back of the scanner, magnetic. Yeah, wireless, buddy. Yeah. So we're gonna just hook it up, look at some live data, and see what's going on. Oh, and his crank pulley came off while he was driving one time. We put on a new one. The rubber on it kind of deteriorated, and then the actual pulley just came off. Pretty funny. That was like a couple weeks ago. 186. Gotta have, since I'm not working today, gotta make money somehow.
No, what?
How's it a Nissan?
Why did it call it a Nissan?
Huh?
Why did it auto detect Nissan?
Oh, what the fuck? That's so weird. Yeah. It's a Nissan STI. Fuck. Is that the same VIN? Where's your VIN plate?
Here.
Yeah, JF1G. Okay. Redo it.
End diagnosis. Yes.
Exit. Yeah. Redo the.
Exit.
Yeah. I don't think I. Did I hook it up to a Nissan earlier?
Oh.
Check Subaru. There you go. 2011 Subaru.
Yeah.
Okay, now scan it and see.
Smart scan, system scan?
Yeah, just do a smart scan.
Smart scan.
What if they just, I don't know if they cleared it or not, but.
Isn't this the same software as like an Autel?
Auto? I don't know.
I swear I've
Oh,
seen
don't let them hear that. Don't let them hear that. No, I'm just joking.
I swear I've seen this on an Autel.
I think that it's just like general
No, it's like the
topology.
same UI,
yeah,
though.
I guess that's how they make it, but okay, there's no codes now. So I guess they probably cleared it.
I wonder if we can check the monitors, see if they've all been set or not.
I do smell fuel though. Like raw fuel. I don't know if it's your car. But I did just fill up gas because it was cheap.
Raw fuel or like...
Yeah, like that fresh. From all those fuel pumps, you know, we've been doing. But,
Oh, it's pretty nice, pretty clean back here.
maybe it's just me because I just filled up. Or you just saturated the charcoal canister.
It's actually burning really clean right
Just see.
I don't even smell like smoke. Cat's
No.
working good.
Yeah. Oh, but yeah, I think there's no coats. Yeah, nothing. Okay. I just think it probably just misfired and then it went into the limp mode and then started shutting injectors off. Hold on, go back.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think it's done scanning yet. Nope.
Oh, shit.
Screwed up.
Manual select.
Do that.
That's
Before.
good. Do it all again?
No, you don't have to scan it. There's no codes in it. Just go back.
I just wanted to
go to the.
I just wanted to go to the PCM and read the...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Just go straight to PCM, engine control module. Oh. What happened there?
It's idling up.
Enter.
Yeah, I think the fan's probably kicked on.
I don't think it kicked on. I did it? Yo, that is some quiet fan, man. Both fans are
This
on.
car, that alternator
Yeah.
is like so touchy with its voltage.
Yeah.
So it's like the second you add any load, it idles up.
Oh.
Like AC kicks on, idle up.
Yeah.
Like when you, yeah.
You should overdrive get a bigger
Yeah, on my
crank
alternator.
pulley.
On my
Yeah, because then your bigger crank will overdrive the your alternator pulley because it's
They make overdriven alternators, like aftermarket.
well, or
ones.
it just makes a smaller pulley on the alternator, and then that way it spins faster.
Do this or no? Yes. AF learn. Oh no.
Let's go. Just select all, and then you can just look at it.
Okay.
That's okay. Airfield correction.
0.
Oh, yeah, it's not that bad. Airfield learning.
AF sensor 1.
That's airfield ratio. Let's look at your fuel trims.
Fire data. Okay. Oh shit.
Yeah, no. So the only thing that doesn't have a monitor is your air, secondary air.
Yeah.
But mass airflow, it's
BVP.
pretty good. 2.6 grams per second.
Unplug it, see what happens.
Yeah, I don't know. I think you gotta actually wait till see it happens again. I'm pretty sure it's something. It started misfiring, and then it went into limp mode because you said it sounded like 2 dead cylinders.
Yeah, and it's undrivable.
Yeah.
Like it can't get ahead of itself.
No, see, smell. You can smell it. It smells very rich. And then it idled down. It's probably the secondary air injection you don't have to help burn off that.
Yeah, it only runs it on cold start though.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, it also does it to get more oxygen in there too.
In the cat, yeah.
Yeah. It's like my 4Runner has secondary air, and it's always
Pumping?
on. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. Anyways. Yeah, I guess it's a dud. So any of you in the comments, let me know if you have any Subaru, something like this. So you can explain what it was doing, and maybe somebody in the comments will help you out.
I have no idea.
Yeah. Or what was it doing?
So I see it cold start, immediately start, felt like it was misfiring, idling poorly. Couldn't get ahead of itself, couldn't drive, just let it idle for a bit. It still wouldn't go. Turn key off, start again, still misfire, turn key off, start again, and then it started running fine. I made it about 2 blocks away, and then it started missing again, and had to pull over, just cycle the key a bunch till it eventually figure itself out, get another 2 blocks, then it would start missing again and die, but it wouldn't set a code. Set a code near the end before I got a tow, and that code was just rich fuel system.
And then you also changed the coils, spark plugs.
Yeah, last time I was having this
six-
issue like 6-7 months ago, and it's been running good since.
Yeah, with benzo ignition coils.
Yeah.
What if there's still warranty on those parts? You can try.
Yeah, but I gotta pull them out.
Yeah, you gotta pull them out, and you're
And
gonna take them to the Lord Tow. They've been kind of a hassling you with warranty parts. Anyways, I guess that's it for this. But if any of you have a Subaru with a similar issue, and then if you solve it, let me know down in the comments so I can help Ben out here. And then that's yeah. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.
What I done to it, and it's like it's not modified. He's like, well, to us that's modified, so we can't work on your car. Like, so literally he said, oh, it was more or less, we don't want to work on your car. Our scanner doesn't say replace this part, so we don't know what you're doing. That's literally what he said, but just like more and more words. And then I asked him, okay, well, can you humor me? Because he's basically trying to say, because I removed my air pump, we can't do nothing. I'm like, well, have you ever seen cars where the air pump, like working cars, has caused a misfire? Well, I don't know. I've only been here for a year.
Oh god.
I was like, oh god.
Oh god.
And this was the point. This was the shop floor of it.
What is this? Subaru?
This is
Yeah, Subaru.